In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see all the games you've ever played on Roblox. Whether you're a seasoned player or a newcomer to this vibrant platform, keeping track of the games you've explored can be quite insightful. First off, if you're new to Roblox, it's essential to create an account. This step is your gateway to experiencing the full Roblox universe and all it has to offer. However, if you're already part of the Roblox community, go ahead and log in using your mobile app or through the browser, whichever option suits you best. Both options work seamlessly for the task at hand. Once you're successfully logged in, I'll guide you through the steps, whether you prefer using the application or the browser site. If you choose the app, start by looking for the More option. You'll find this conveniently located on the left side of your screen. Go ahead and tap on it, which will lead you to your inventory. This inventory acts as a record of your activities, showing all the games you've engaged with on Roblox. Upon tapping the inventory, you'll notice several options on display. At this point, for a more comprehensive view, we'll continue our exploration on the browser or directly on the Roblox website. Head over to the website, and once there, tap on Inventory. Your focus should then shift to the Private Servers section. In the Private Servers area, you'll be introduced to two distinct options: My Private Servers and Other Private Servers. These servers together compile a detailed list of games you've visited since the creation of your Roblox account. It's more than just a list, it's a detailed history of your Roblox adventures, providing a nostalgic look back at the games that have captured your interest over time. If you're interested in simply recalling the most recent games you've played, there's an even quicker way. Navigate straight to your Roblox homepage. From there, you can easily find a list of your recently played games right at your fingertips, making it simple to revisit your recent explorations. I hope this guide helps you smoothly navigate through your Roblox game history. Exploring your past gaming experiences can be not only a fun trip down memory lane but also an opportunity to revisit some of your favorite virtual worlds. Whether you're looking to rediscover a forgotten gem or simply curious about your gaming journey, this feature is invaluable. Dive back into your Roblox adventures and who knows, you might find a game you'd love to play all over again.